There was a Life in Lockdown photography competition, and we were tasked as staff to come up with an idea to engage with young people while we were all stuck at home. And it was just, a basic idea of, we've got one exercise a day, let's use it to go out, take some photos, improve our well-being, And then we did different themes each week. We ran it for 11 weeks and then gave out prizes for Amazon vouchers for the winning photos that were guest judged then. And they were all published in local papers.
I think a lot of people discovered a lot more about themselves during the pandemic, so they may not have felt they were budding photographers, but some of the photos that we were getting back were amazing. They were quite awe-inspiring when you seen them. It was a good reason for some young people just to get them out the front door, really, who might have felt anxious. So having something to work towards, they felt was something that benefited them to go out and do it and, entering a competition. It's always good.